So students, let's start the topic how to calculate number between two rational number. For that you have to refer my first video, one video regarding that. Then how my first video regarding that what is the definition of rational numbers. Clear? Then only you can understand the thing. See, to calculate the number between between two rational numbers, we have two methods. First, the formulatory method, and second one is the direct LCM method. First of all, if two numbers are given to you, for example 3 and 4 given to you, and you want to calculate n numbers, or you can say question asked to you that calculate 5 numbers between these two numbers, these two rational numbers. Clear? Then how you calculate? First, if formulatory method we would use, then formula is a plus b divided by 2. The number in between is a plus b divided by 2. Clear? So if we consider a equals to 3, b equals to 4, then the number in between would be let n1. If we have 5 numbers, then the number between 3 and 4 would be n1, n2, n3, n4, n5. So n1 is 3 plus 4 divided by 2. So it would be 7 divided by 2. Clear? So this is my first number, or you can say here it would be 3.5. So the number between 3 and 4 are n1, n2, n3, n4, n5, and this would be 4. So first number would be what? 3.5. Now you can consider a equals to 3.5 and b equals to 4, and next n numbers you can easily calculate. See, this method is little bit lengthy method. So if we same question we do with the LCM method, then what is that? You have to calculate n1, n2, n3, n4 and n5 numbers between 3 and 4. You have to calculate between 3 and 4 5 numbers, n1, n2, n3, n4 and n5. Then what you will do? You will divide and multiply with 5 both the numbers. You will divide and multiply both the numbers with 5. I always suggest that if 5 numbers are asked to you, then multiply and divide with 10. If less than 10 numbers are asked, if more than 10 numbers are asked, then multiply and divide with 100. Always zero multiplication of tens would be multiplied and divide. For example, 10, 100, 1000, etc. So if we multiply and divide with 10, then this is n1, n2, n3, n4, n5. Here 4 into 10 divided by 10. So that would be 30 divided by 10. Here is n1, n2, n3, n4 and n5. Clear? And here it would be 40 divided by 10. Now see here, 30. Here the denominator is 10, and here also the denominator is 10. So I can mark a series, that is 31 divided by 10, 32 divided by 10, 33 divided by 10, 34 divided by 10, 35 divided by 10, and 40 divided by 10. So these are the numbers in between 3 and 4. This is clear to you? Now see, if some number is given to you in a condition that find out 4 rational number between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. How many numbers you have to calculate? 4 rational numbers you have to calculate. Clear? 4 rational numbers you have to calculate. So to calculate four numbers between two rational numbers, what we mark 3 by 5, n1, n2, n3, n4. These four numbers I need to calculate. Then we would get the LCM method. LCM method is what? That we have to multiply and divide the numbers with the same, with the thing that their denominator should be same. If I multiply and divide by 10 both the numbers, then I'll get that. If I multiply with 10 and divide with 10, then that would be n1, n2, n3, n4. Here if I multiply and divide by 10, then here 3 into 10 would be 30 divided by 50, n1, n2, n3, n4. Here is 40 divided by 50. Clear? So the denominator of both the numbers same, so I can make a series that is 30 divided by 50, 31 divided by 50, 32 divided by 50, 33 divided by 50, 34 divided by 50, and 40 divided by 50. These are the four numbers. These are the four numbers between 30 and 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. These are the results. See, let's move to one more question, that if we need to find out 5 rational numbers between 1 and 2. If we need to find out 5 rational numbers between 1 and 2. How many numbers? 5 numbers. So here n1, n2, n3, n4 and n5 I have to calculate 5 rational numbers. So multiply with 10 and divide with 10. So n1, n2, n3, n4, n5. Here is 2 by 10 into divide and multiply with 10. So here is 10 by 10, n1, n2, n3, n4, n5, 20 divided by 10. As the denominator of both the numbers are same, so I can make a series 10 by 10, 11 by 10, 12 by 10, 13 by 10, 14 by 10, 15 by 10, up to 20 by 10. So these are the 5 numbers between 1 and 2. Clear? So this is all about that how to calculate the numbers between two rational numbers. This method we can use, and that would be easy for you to calculate the number between two rational numbers. So please don't subscribe and like the video, and also comment on the video so that I can understand. If you have any query, and I'll reply you definitely. So please like and subscribe the video. Thank you so much.